I've pulled myself out of a very dark place, growing up. I never thought that I would be doing something that I love and be here today. I'm a perfect example that people do change and never give up. It's rewarding. Like I can't explain like how I'm an emotional person. So animals make me happy. So here I am. It's never too late. I'm gonna be 42 years old. I've been to school several times, and just having to come back as an older student was very humbling, but I would 10 out of 10 recommend it, and it's never too late to pursue something that you love, and just follow your dream. My name is Alyssa Jimenez, and the program that I attended was the Veterinary Assistant program here at CHAC College in Carson. Before this program, I was in the automotive field for about 7.5 years. I was working for Tesla. I got laid off in 2024 and decided that I didn't want to go back into that field. So I did pick up a part-time job at a animal shelter, and from there I decided I wanted to get into the veterinary field, and here I am, a graduate of CHAC College. My experience in the program, it was amazing. I loved it. The instructors are very nice, very helpful. They make sure that I don't even have the words to explain the experience that I had. It was more than amazing. I didn't expect to get as much hands-on training that I did, and to become very close to my peers and my instructors, Miss G and Miss Flores. They are amazing. 10 out of 10. I would recommend you come here. I would say 20. I would recommend 10 out of 10 this program to any of my peers. This program is amazing, and they've helped me become the person that I am today, as far as with the skill set and stuff like that. And they really, really do care about you here. I want to say right before graduation, I did a 240-hour externship. That was amazing. The site that I was at, they weren't hiring at the time. So it was a little bit of a bummer on that part of it. But as far as the skills that I did get over there, oh my God, I would recommend that site. That site is an externship site. But as far as looking for work, it is a competitive field, but I kept doing it, kept putting in the applications, and I finally got a call back, and I started my first job on July 20th as a VA at the Peoria Animal Hospital. So I'm super excited. The experience that I had here, a memory that I did have here, is when actually one of the other instructors, his dog, his name is Snoop. This dog was literally he couldn't walk. He was paralyzed from his hind legs, and we were able to help rehabilitate this dog. We did red light therapy, just monitored him, and slowly but surely he came to and was able to walk. And that was where I knew, I'm getting emotional, but this is where I knew where I needed to belong, because being able to be part of that is amazing. Yeah, being able to see an animal when when they come in and they can't care for themselves, and you're able to care for them and then help them get better. It's rewarding. There's no words for that. I love animals. So I'm a big animal lover, and I've always been since I was little. I just never thought that I would find myself in this field, but it's rewarding. I can't explain how I'm an emotional person, so animals make me happy. So here I am. I would say it's never too late. I'm gonna be 42 years old, and I've been to school several times, and just having to come back as an older student was very humbling, but I would 10 out of 10 recommend it, and it's never too late to pursue something that you love, and just follow your dream. The experience with my classmates was amazing. I feel like I've gained some sisters in the field. I have two best friends that I've gained from being in this class, and we're all we always check on each other and stuff like that. But just the dynamic of the class itself, we all got along. We're all rooting for each other, and it was no one ever felt left out. We were all here for each other. It was a big how do you say I I can't even think of the right wording, but anyways, we got along and we did what we had to do to help each other succeed. Just, it's never too late. Follow your dream. Again, I never thought that I would be here today. I've pulled myself out of a very dark place, you know, growing up, and I feel like I never thought that I would be doing something that I love and be here today. I'm a perfect example that people do change, and never give up. Never give up.